You're welcome to Africa's leading business, technology, and lifestyle show on Digivation Network. I am Anna Heja. Making money on YouTube requires a strategic approach. Today, we bring you some steps to help you get started. Firstly, you need to take note of YouTube eligibility requirements. Number 1. 1,000 subscribers. Your channel must have at least 1,000 subscribers. Number 2. 4,000 watch hours. Your channel must have at least 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Number 3. Comply with YouTube's policies. Ensure your content adheres to YouTube's community guidelines and terms of service. Next, take note of YouTube monetization strategies. Number 1. Advertisement or AdSense. Enable ads on your videos and earn money from views and clicks. Number 2. Sponsorships and product placements. Partner with brands to promote their products or services in your videos. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by promoting products or services and including affiliate links in your videos or video descriptions. Number 4. Merchandise. Sell branded merchandise such as t-shirts, hats, or other items to your audience. Number 5. Premium content. Offer exclusive content or memberships to fans in exchange for a fee. Number 6. YouTube Premium. Earn a share of the revenue generated by YouTube Premium, a paid subscription service that offers ad-free videos, exclusive content, and other perks. Number 7. Licensing. License your content to other platforms, TV shows, or media outlets. Number 8. YouTube Super Chat. Earn money from live streaming through Super Chat, a feature that allows viewers to pay for their messages to be highlighted in live chat. Now, here are some important tips for success. Number 1. Create high-quality, engaging content by focusing on producing content that resonates with your audience. Number 2. Build a loyal community. Interact with your viewers, respond to comments, and create a loyal following. Number 3. Consistency is key. Regularly upload videos to maintain a consistent schedule and keep your audience engaged. Number 4. Promote your channel. Share your content on social media forums and other online platforms to increase visibility. Number 5. Stay up to date with YouTube's policies. Familiarize yourself with YouTube's terms of service, community guidelines, and monetization policies to avoid account suspensions or terminations. Other additional resources to enhance your journey to making money on YouTube are: Number 1. YouTube Creator Academy. This is a free resource that offers tutorials, tips, best practices for creating and monetizing your YouTube content. Number 2. YouTube Help. This is a comprehensive resource that provides answers to frequently asked questions, troubleshooting tips, and more. By following these steps and tips, you can increase your chances of success on YouTube and start earning money from your content. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more updates like this. I am Hannah Heja. See you next time. Bye.
For more on well-researched and balanced stories, events, and interviews across business, tech innovation, and lifestyle, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. www.youtube.com/Digivation Network.